Hey everyone, what's up? I hope everybody's enjoying their holidays so far. You know me, I just stopped by to give you guys a simple but special cocktail that will be able to steal everybody's Christmas. Stay tuned. Alright, so to make this cocktail, we're going to start off by adding half an ounce of blue curacao to the mix. Next up is half an ounce of pineapple syrup. Now comes the good part. We're going to add an ounce and a half of Appleton Gold Rum. Quarter of an ounce of lime juice. Now for the glass that we're using, we're going to garnish it with some red sugar, which is pretty much sugar and red food coloring. We're going to add some soda water.